Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking fondant. Yes, we all know fondant is beautiful and it is delicious, yeah. And then we all want to make the perfect fondant cake, especially if you're watching this video because you're a cake decorator and you're trying to work with fondant. Today I'm going to be giving you the secrets to working with fondant, especially when it is dry and already hard. So today I'm going to be helping you out. So I'm going to be giving you 5 tips. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you remove the crusty parts of the fondant. So once you take out the fondant out of the wrap or wherever it is you stored it, you want to remove the crusty parts. Pinch out all the hard parts, because those places will never melt and they will just give you lumps in your fondant, and that will just make your work difficult. So make sure you pinch out that part first before you try to soften up the remaining part of the fondant. So let's get started. Number one, once you already pinched out the part that is crusty and hard and like the exterior parts, what you want to do is pop it in the microwave just for 10 seconds intervals, yeah, because you don't want to put it in there for too long, because it will melt and it will become soupy and stuff, and that will be just useless to use. So be careful. Number two, once you put in the microwave and it is a little bit warm to the touch and a little bit more malleable and you can mold it a little bit more, what you want to do is knead it with your fingers. This might just be enough. If the fondant is not too dry or too problematic, just kneading it and popping in the microwave might be enough. So knead it. If it's too hard, pop it for a little bit more and then knead it a little bit more, and it might just be fine at the end of the day. So if it is still not okay, what you want to do next is to knead some butter into it. Yeah, I know this sounds weird. Yeah, most people tell you to use other things but not butter. The reason why butter is good is because it has some water content, which can give your fondant a little bit more moisture than normal grease would give it. So knead some butter into it and see what it gives you. But if you do not have butter at home, do not fret. You can use vegetable shortening as well. Yes, most bakers tell you to use vegetable shortening because it has no water content and it can make your fondant a little bit more palatable. Is palatable a word? Like a lot more easier to work with, basically. So just need some vegetable shortening into it and it will be a little bit easier to work with. So if you don't have butter at home and you don't have vegetable shortening, another option you can use is some glycerin. Yeah, if you don't have vegetable shortening or butter, so it's very unlikely you have glycerin, but just in case you do, glycerin works as well. So just put a few drops and try to knead it into it. If it's still too hard, pop it in the microwave for a few seconds, bring it out and knead a little bit more, and then your fondant will be fine within a few seconds. So the important thing is to add some grease to it and knead. Add some grease and knead. That's all you have to do, and your fondant will be back to good. It won't be as nice as it was initially before it dried out. So that's the reason why when you have fondants that you already used, it's important that once you're done using it, you should wrap it in a cling film so it can keep its moisture and so it won't dry out on you. And if you don't have any of that, just put drops of water in it and then knead the water into it as much as you can, and then you're going to have really soft, palatable and malleable, I'm not sure I'm speaking the right English, fondant to work with. And once you know the secret of fondant, you can make really perfect cakes all the time. So in these videos, I have several of these videos for you guys in case you want to watch them, and I'm going to put the link right up here. It says click on me. Yeah, click on that. So thank you guys for always watching my videos, and I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any more suggestions for me, or if there's a way you make your fondant a little bit easier to work with when it's hard, give me a comment in the comment section below, and follow me on Instagram as well as on YouTube. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.